Hi, let's see how to install MySQL Server and how to apply most used commands to control a database. Please note, this tutorial was created for WordPress website installation and not a full MySQL tutorial. For the beginning we have to install MySQL application. For that please apply the following command. Wait until everything is done. If the installation process was successfully, then you should have MySQL installed in your Linux PC. Let's see now how to apply most used commands to control a database that is required by WordPress to function correctly. Let's start first with opening a terminal and apply this command to go in MySQL console. After the console opens, we will send all the commands from the list. First command displays all the databases. The command from line 4 selects a database to work with. As you can see, I chose sys database just for example. Let's create two databases named WordPress and WordPress 2. Apply command, show databases, to see if the databases were created accordingly. Using drop command, you can delete any database. So, let's remove the WordPress 2 database. Apply the command, show databases, again to see if the database WordPress 2 was removed. To continue with the commands for tables control, we have to select the desired database to work with, so, apply the command, use WordPress. By applying the command, show tables, we will see an empty replay because it is a new database and there are no tables yet. Let's create a table like follows. The table name will be persons, but you can choose whatever you want. The columns also can be as many as you want. After the table creation, you can see all the columns names of table, actually the table header, by applying the command, describe table name. In my case persons is the table name. Let's add now, 2 lines, in the table, for each insert command. First insert command must have values for each column, but the second one will fill the missing ones automatically with null value. After lines creation, we can display them using the command, select column from table. If we want to see all the table, then, replace the column names with asterisk. As you can see, there are 4 lines in the table. Now let's update only one cell in the table, with the value, new address. The cell is located on the column named address and line that of person it equals 3. If you display again the table, you will see there, the cell was changed. Instead of displaying all the columns, you can display only one, the address column in my case. Now let's see some commands for users control. First command is, describe MySQL.user, that will display all the columns from the users table. To display only the user column, then, apply the command, select user from MySQL.user. Let's create 2 new users, Linux class _WP and Linux class _WP2 in my case, with localhost as a domain. After users creation, display again the column with the users' names, so, there appears the 2 users that we have just created before. To remove a user, please issue the command, drop user, followed by the user name that you want to remove. Each user should have some privileges for specific databases, so, in the beginning let's see which privileges have our user, issuing the command, show grants, for our user. To give new privileges to a user, use the command, grant, like here, so I will give some privileges like alter, drop, insert and so on to my user. Now let's see if there appeared new privileges for our user. As you can see, they are there. To remove some privileges, please use the command, revoke, like here. After we have revoked the privilege, alter, let's see again the privileges of our user. As you can see, from there, disappeared the alter privilege. Last command is, exit, that will close the MySQL console. You should know that, we have done all of that using the root user. So, Now let's start the MySQL console using Linux class_WP user. After login, please issue the command show databases to see what databases our user can see. Please leave a comment if something is missing or wrong. If this method worked for you, please give a like and subscribe to my channel for next useful videos of how to do it in Linux Mint. Thank you for watching.